Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you 10 beautiful patterns on Rubik's Cube. So let's get started. So for the first pattern, just grab your cube like that, and the pattern goes like M prime, E, M prime, E, M prime, E, M prime, E. Now this pattern I don't know what is called, but you can say it a center exchange pattern. You can say it center exchange pattern. For the second pattern you have to do R2, L2, F2, back 2 and U2, D2. Now this pattern is called checker board pattern. I think I don't know why it's called, but it looks like a chess, so I think that is why called. For the third pattern you have to do FU, FR, L2 back D prime R D2, LD prime back R2, L, FU, F. Now this is a really cool pattern because here you can see there are the strips of different color strips. The yellow face and the white face is completely solved, but you can see here are the line strips, 4 different line strips here. Now our fourth pattern is really cool pattern. So algorithm is a long, goes like F L F U prime R U F2 L2 U prime L prime back D prime back prime L2 U. So this is a cube, a 2x2 Rubik's cube inside a 3x3 Rubik's cube, and it not only makes here, it also makes here, and it's a really cool pattern. You just made and put that in, that looks cool. Now our fifth pattern goes like U F back prime L2 U2 L2 F prime back U2 L2 U. Now this is called Christmas cross. I also don't know why it is called, but it is cross, so it is called cross, but I don't know why it is called Christmas cross. Let me know in comments if you know. For the next pattern you have to do L U back prime U prime R L prime back R prime F back prime D R D prime X prime. So now you can see the design. Here is a line, also here is a line, and here is also line. Now this pattern has really cool name. It called anaconda. Yes, it called anaconda pattern. So really cool. You can see here, from if you start from blue, so here is a blue followed by white, then red, green, and finally on blue. For the next pattern you have to do F2 back to U D prime R2 L2 U D prime. Now this is similar to the first one, but it's a pretty different because in the first you have 6 centerpiece exchange, but here you have only 4 centerpiece exchange. Our next pattern is F2 R2 D R2 U D F2 D prime R prime D prime F L2 F prime D R U prime, and it's known as exchange peaks. It is a really nice pattern. If you see this roll really cool. The next pattern is F prime U back prime R prime U F2 U2 F prime U prime F U2 D back prime D prime R2 back prime U prime, and this pattern is called cube in a cube in a cube. Means cube in a cube 3 times, and it's not only here, it also makes just right below. For the very next pattern we have to do F D2 back R back prime L prime F D prime L2 F2 R F prime R prime F2 L prime F prime. So this is known as 2 twisted peaks, and here you can see here is a green, yellow, orange, and here are the peaks of same 3 colors, and there is also peak here. If you put it like that, it looks really cool. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe my channel for more videos.